Hello everyone, welcome back to our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see about AI-based chatbot. This chatbot is an interactive chatbot between user and the chatbot. This chatbot is fully based on product-based company. Like further, if you ask any doubts about products, it could be reply about the product and the details and their company details also. Along with that, I have added some NLP techniques and machine learning models and deep learning techniques for this chatbot development to gain some insights to their capability and limitations. These controversial agents have transformed various industries, providing innovative solutions to virtual reference. Now I will show you the introduction. Yeah. AI intelligence, artificial intelligence has a profound impact on numerous industries, particularly in real chatbot technology. Chatbots, which are computer programs designed to simulate human conversion, has evolved to become a more sophisticated and intelligent due to advancement in AI. The purpose of this research paper to explore the current advancement and leading innovation in AI-powered chatbot technology and examine their impact on various industries. Now we will go back to the coding part. Our required specification is I used Python ideally 3.8 and the library is PyTTST3. It's nothing but a Python library for text to speech. It converts the text into speech word using TTS engine. It's nothing but text to speak engine available on the system. It works on offline and supports multiple TTS engine. And then speech recognition has a major part. It converts the spoken language into text. It uses algorithm and models to process audio input, and it also identifies pattern and it translates the spoken words into written form. Based on this only, we could translate our text into voice so that our voice will be get trained, and then if we ask any question, it could be replay on that module only. Along with this, I've used TensorFlow and then Keras. TensorFlow is nothing but a machine learning framework, and it provides the tools and libraries to build and deploy machine learning models. And Keras is for high-level neural network API. It was written in Python only. It acts as a interface to build and train deep learning models. It is a process of creating complex neural network architecture. So that I imported Keras, and it also user friendly, and it's a good modular and support multiple backends including TensorFlow. And along with this, I used NLP techniques, involves techniques and then algorithms to understand and then to generate human language. And this NLP task includes sentiment analysis, translations, and text generation. For example, like, various chatbots like language transaction and text analysis uses NLP technique only. Today, in modern world also, for instance, for speech recognition to transcribe spoken words into text, they apply NLP technique only to analyze or respond to the text and use the TensorFlow and Keras to build and run the enhance these the capabilities or to enhance the capabilities of the modules. This is our database. Based on this database only, we should ask the question and it could respond from here only. Yeah. Now I'll show you a training code. Yeah. This is our training code. This training code is nothing but it's an code that is a text-based chatbot. In this code, we have used term frequency inverse document for text conversion. It converts our text to vectorized form, and then it imports the cosine similarity to match these queries with the predefined response. Based on this only, we match our messages with predefined response, and then we will count the vectors in this format, in this TDO format, so that we could match those vectors for text vectorization and similarity calculation, so that our various data formats and the operation will be done easier. And then now I'll show you how to run this. Run, yeah. You can see here our training time was over, and it was around 0.14 seconds milliseconds have trained. This one. This is NLP technique. I'll show you the main code now. This is the main code. I'm running this. I've written code as I could text also, and then I could give voice also. So it could give the response in then text wise also, in then in voicemail also. You can see this. Run this now. Yeah. Now choosing the mode as voice. Yeah. This is our main code. Here I have a coded like I could give in voice also, and then text also. It could reply me in voice and then as well as in text also. So what I have done is here we have import a chatbot. What we have tried outside. Now I'll run this. Yeah. Now our training time was took. Otherwise it was now choosing what is voice. Hi, hello, hi. What are the products you have? Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Yeah, this is how it works. And then for voice, and then for text, you need to text. If you hi means it will tell us hello, how are you? And then what are the products you have? Likewise, what are the text you have tried in your JSON file? That means your database. You should add more queries in that. If you after you're trying that, you should do the testing so that it could be work as interaction between a chatbot and then user. Based on NLP, it could be very easy to have various response like this. For many interesting videos, follow our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.